Astro Excel for the coming week starting Sunday, April 6th. We're up above the 20 line where we have peaked out. We are now heading down, then flattening out Wednesday into Thursday with a little bump up and then down the rest of the week. We're in a big sell-off as the week closed last week. Last week's line was pretty decent. We had that upward move Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, and then down Thursday, then up Friday. The only place we diverged was on Friday, where the green line was up and the market was down. We've got some big spikes this week starting tonight at 2000 for this spike low at minus 16 on the blue line. We've got this spike Monday at 1300, Tuesday at 1 a.m., spike high at 9 a.m., a push below the minus 10 here at 1700, a push up here on the high side at 2000. Moving into Wednesday, we have one spike high here outside the 10 line at 6 a.m. and a spike low at 2200. Then going through the 10th, we've got this spike low here at 1600 right near the end of the session. Then another big bump here down at 2200 hours there on Thursday evening. Friday, we're contained inside the 10s here to close that week out. Here's a look back at the pattern from last week. See, Monday and Tuesday we were up and we flattened out. Had a little dip up high here, peaked out Wednesday. Then we were down through Thursday and then up into Friday. Just looking at the SPY here for comparison. Here's Monday, peaking Tuesday, the little dip, and then to a peak Wednesday. Then we had Thursday down. Our divergence was Friday, where we had the gap down here, and instead the green line had turned up. So pattern was pretty good 4 days of the 5 until Friday. Just for another perspective on this, I'm going to bring this monthly chart in here for a second. You can see where we are here on the 6th now, where we've peaked out, and now we've got this steady green line pushed down all the way out to the 14th where it bottoms out. So that's what we're looking at for the week ahead. We have peaked on Sunday and we're heading downward, and then we've got this push back up on the 10th into the 11th.